Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Kinetic sand is a really neat material because it has a bit of movement to it. It's still moldable and shapeable and squishable. The cornstarch, dish soap, and glue all make this come together for a very fun activity that provides an amazing tactile experience. 5 August 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Like magic sand, kinetic sand is coated beach sand. Like the magic sand coating, poly-dimethylsiloxane is hydrophobic, Corrado Greger explains. But with kinetic sand, the thick, viscous coating's main role is to help the sand stick together so it can be cut and molded without making a mess. 23 March 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cornmeal kinetic sand, great for the littlest scientists who are still investigating new experiences through taste. This recipe from Surviving a Teacher's Salary for moldable sand uses only kitchen staples, no sand in sight. Combine flour, cornmeal, oil, and corn syrup for a gritty putty that won't dry out. 11 November 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
If your sand is too wet, the cornstarch may get a little goopy before it has the chance to mix in with the sand. If your sand needs to dry out a little, spread it out in the container and give a few hours, or a day, to dry. When your sand is ready, sprinkle 1 cup of the cornstarch in an even layer over the sand. 30 October 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Kinetic sand is regular sand that's been coated with silicone oil, said Rick Sackelman, a member of the American Chemical Society. Silicone doesn't refer to one specific material but rather a group of materials that contain the elements silicon and oxygen. 18 May 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.